Welcome to my channel. 10 tips to stay healthy while traveling. Staying healthy while traveling is essential to ensure an enjoyable and stress-free experience. Good health allows you to fully enjoy and make the most of your travel experience. When you're healthy, you have the energy and stamina to explore, engage in activities, and immerse yourself in new cultures. Being in good health enhances your personal safety and overall well-being while traveling. It allows you to stay alert, make sound decisions, and better handle any challenges or emergencies that may arise. Knowing that you've taken steps to prioritize your health while traveling provides peace of mind. It allows you to relax, enjoy your journey, and create lasting memories without the worry of falling ill or encountering health-related challenges. Here are 10 tips for staying healthy while traveling. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration ensures optimal bodily function, supporting digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. It prevents dehydration, which can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and impaired cognitive function. By staying hydrated, you maintain energy and stamina, allowing you to fully enjoy your travel experience. Adequate hydration supports immune health, helping defend against potential illnesses and infections encountered during travel. Hydration contributes to overall well-being, improving mood, concentration, and cognitive function. It also promotes skin health, keeping your skin moisturized and radiant. Number 9. Eat nutritious meals. Nutritious food provides essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that support your overall health and well-being. It fuels your body with the energy needed for long travel days and engaging in various activities. A balanced diet helps maintain a strong immune system, minimizing the risk of falling ill during your trip. By making healthy food choices, you can prevent digestive issues and discomfort often associated with consuming unfamiliar or unhealthy foods. Nutritious meals contribute to mental clarity and focus, enabling you to fully enjoy and appreciate your travel experiences. Prioritizing nutritious meals while traveling ensures that you are nourishing your body and maximizing your enjoyment of the journey. Number 8. Practice good hand hygiene. Practicing good hand hygiene while traveling is crucial, as it is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs and reduce the risk of contracting illnesses. Travel often involves exposure to various surfaces and high-traffic areas, increasing the likelihood of encountering harmful bacteria or viruses. By washing your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds or using hand sanitizers, you can eliminate or reduce the presence of pathogens on your hands. By maintaining proper hand hygiene, you minimize the chances of falling ill and ensure a healthier and more enjoyable travel experience. Number 7. Get enough rest. Getting enough rest while traveling is crucial for various reasons. Traveling can be physically and mentally demanding, leading to fatigue and decreased alertness. Sufficient rest allows your body to recover, recharge, and maintain optimal functioning. It helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle, especially when crossing different time zones and dealing with jet lag. Adequate rest enhances cognitive function, improving concentration, memory, and decision-making abilities. It also supports immune health, as quality sleep boosts your body's defenses against potential illnesses. It helps prevent travel-related stress and exhaustion, ensuring that you have the energy and stamina to fully engage in activities and make the most of your journey. Number 6. Stay active. Engaging in physical activity helps maintain overall health and fitness levels, contributing to your well-being during your trip. It allows you to explore your destination on foot, discover hidden gems, and fully immerse yourself in the local culture. Regular exercise boosts energy levels and reduces travel-related fatigue, ensuring that you have the stamina to make the most of your adventures. It supports cardiovascular health, muscle strength, and flexibility, which are beneficial for navigating unfamiliar terrain or participating in exciting activities. By prioritizing physical activity, you enhance your travel experience and support your overall well-being. Number 5. Practice safe sun exposure. Practicing safe sun exposure while traveling is crucial for multiple reasons. The sun's ultraviolet, UV rays can cause damage to the skin, leading to sunburn, premature aging, and an increased risk of skin cancer. By taking precautions such as applying sunscreen with a high CPF, wearing sunglasses and a hat, you can protect your skin from harmful UV rays. It minimizes the chances of heat stroke or heat exhaustion, especially in hot climates, by seeking shade during peak sunlight hours. By safeguarding yourself from excessive sun exposure, you can enjoy your travel experience while keeping your skin healthy and protected. Number 4. Take necessary vaccinations and medications. Vaccinations help protect you against diseases prevalent in your destination or diseases that may be more common in certain regions. They provide immunity and reduce the risk of contracting illnesses that can disrupt your travel plans and cause significant health issues. Additionally, certain countries may require proof of specific vaccinations as a condition of entry. Taking prescribed medications, such as antimalarials or preventive medications for altitude sickness, is essential for managing pre-existing conditions or potential health risks associated with your destination. By prioritizing vaccinations and medications, you can safeguard your health and well-being, allowing for a more enjoyable and worry-free travel experience. Number 3. Practice safe food and water habits. By practicing safe food habits, such as eating at reputable establishments, avoiding street food that may not be properly cooked or handled, and opting for freshly prepared meals, you can minimize the risk of foodborne illnesses. It is advisable to drink bottled water or purified water and avoid consuming tap water, ice cubes, or beverages made with unfiltered water. Proper food and water hygiene also include washing fruits and vegetables, practicing good hand hygiene before eating, and using utensils or disposable plates when necessary. Number 2. Prioritize mental well-being. Traveling can be exciting, but it can also be stressful and overwhelming. Taking care of your mental health allows you to fully enjoy your journey and create positive memories. Engaging in relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or meditation, helps reduce stress and anxiety. Taking breaks when needed and allowing yourself time to rest and rejuvenate prevents burnout and exhaustion. Engaging in activities that bring you joy and practicing self-care nourishes your mental well-being. It enables you to be present in the moment, appreciate new experiences, and connect with the culture and people around you. Number 1. Stay informed. Staying informed while traveling is of utmost importance for several compelling reasons. Being aware of local customs, cultural norms, and etiquette helps you navigate unfamiliar environments with respect and sensitivity. It also helps you make educated choices regarding transportation, accommodations, and attractions, ensuring you get the most out of your trip. Additionally, staying informed about health advisories, vaccinations, and potential health hazards empowers you to take necessary precautions and protect your well-being. By prioritizing staying informed, you can enhance your travel experience, make informed choices, and navigate your destination with confidence and peace of mind. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.